Good morning from Sirmione. Just going into the village, but I thought I'd give you a helpful tip. This is the highest park you can get to with a huge parking lot. So if you're coming here and you want somewhere to park, then this is the place to come, because it should be a lot easier to get into the main bit. However, if you park at the front, like a bit further down back towards mainland, there is buses that run up and down, but the parking here, $2.50 an hour. I don't think he's actually got the name of the place. Oh, there you go, just there. So yeah, this is the best place to come and park. Let's get into the cute little village. Actually, what I'll do to make it easier, here is a picture of the place on the maps of the parking and what it's called. The amount of fish. As you keep walking up near the castle, where there's loads of like street parking as well, but it looks like it's very difficult to get a space. So if you're coming up here really early, you should be fine. Like, you should be absolutely fine. But yeah, it's very, very busy, and the time is currently, just to double check, 10:50. So it's not that early actually. But to get one of these, I'd say you need to be here quite early in the morning. Take note of before coming in. Can't walk around here in your bathing suits, so put some clothes on. Lots of people getting married around here as well, I've noticed. Loads of weddings. And then here is the castle to get into Sirmione. It's quite impressive actually. Quite impressive. There's just a small walkway to get through to be able to enter, but it's very impressive. There's the entrance to the castle. It's very pretty, although that's disgusting. Oh my god. Morning, I will try some. What's this one? Nutella. Nutella, thank you. Kiwi, peach, watermelon flavour ice cream.
All of these guys.
Right, so the ice cream game in this village is mental. Everyone's trying to get you in to taste all of their ice cream, and they're literally everywhere. How much is an ice cream? It doesn't say how much a normal ice cream is. Oh, here we go. So 1 scoop, €4, 2 scoops. Okay, so it's about the same as what it is everywhere else. Yeah. Ice poles, freshly out.
Yeah, but they're probably fake.
Then when you pull this in.
Such a beautiful place. It's really peaceful, very busy, but like I said, it's Saturday morning. Yeah, it's stunning. So stunning. One of the rows gets a picture. these are the views you get when you come down to, I'll just show you my maps exactly where we are. At the Aqua Temple. At the Aqua Temale. It's usually like this, but it's too deep at the minute. There's a little rock pool. See, the water's so clear. Well, hopefully you can see it. This is like another little pool place where the people just come and sit, and there's another one there where that lady is. You probably can't hear a word I'm saying, but it's just stunning.
Look, looks like a mushroom.
One thing you will notice when you go around it is tour groups. They are literally everywhere you go. Like every single place we've been, Rome, Venice, Verona, where else have I been? Been so many places. Look at me, white privilege. There's been tour groups just everywhere, and they literally, like as good as it is, they literally just stay in the middle places. They've got no consideration for people going through. There's one. Why am I moaning? I'm going to cut that out. Yeah, thoughts on Sirmione. Beautiful. We're just going to go back through the other side of the little town now that's here. Everything is really expensive. It's a very nice place. Just telling the kids where to go. But yeah, very worth coming to and visiting. It is something very, very special around here. Just the beauty of it and how nice it is. There's 5-star hotels on here, which like it's just a place with money. Like it's just full of money around it. But I'm so glad I came. Tour group number 5 or 6. Plenty of food options, cafes and bars and everything around here as well. Loads of different boat tour places you can get from. If you're coming up to the island, it'll be on the left side. But yeah, there's a lot here. So beautiful still as well, like I said before. I'll keep saying it because it is. It's absolutely stunning. This is one of the issues. If you're driving right to the top, you're going to have some trouble. Did a full circle around Sirmione. We've not gone everywhere and explored everywhere, to be honest. So we're going to get back and enjoy the sun while it's hot. But yeah, this place is really cute, especially if you're in a couple. I'm very lonely. I'm quite sad about it. But yeah, beautiful place. So beautiful. Dolomites, keep saying Dolomites. Subscribe for the Dolomites, like the videos, and I'll catch you at the next one.